Hello friends, today through this video we are going to introduce you some technology which may soon enter your personal life and future, so stay tuned till the end. Without wasting time, let's start the video. Number 1, body transplant. You may have heard about it. Let us understand it in some details. For example, a person is injured in an accident, and if his arm, leg, or any part of his body is lost, then that part will be replaced by body transplant. Just like hair can be regrowed even after hair loss, it will be possible to transplant any part of the body. However, this technology will take a long time to develop. Number 2, Lifi Technology. You may have heard a bit about it. It is a wireless technology similar to Wi-Fi, but the technology is much better than Wi-Fi because it works much faster than Wi-Fi. Transmits data at high speed using visible light. In Lifi, light from LED bulbs is used for data transfer. Number 3, delivery via drone. Nowadays, almost everyone has started online shopping because online shopping reduces human cost in the market, saves time, and many products are cheaper on online platform than in the market. The product is also delivered to your home by delivery boy, but probably in a short time your product is not by delivery boy, but by drone. Number 4, Universal Translator. This is a very nice technology. We understand it with an example. Suppose you know English language, but I know Arabic language. That means we don't know each other's language and we need to communicate with each other. So how can we talk to each other? It becomes a little difficult in such a situation that we both can communicate with each other with the help of technology. It will be a kind of translator or earbuds that will translate a motto's language so that two people can understand their language. Number 5, NeuroHacking. So friends, NeuroHacking is a technology that you can know what the person in front of you is thinking about you. It means you can read the brain of the person in front of you. So if you want to know more about it, you can search on YouTube. Number 6, machine learning. Messing around is actually a subject of AI. Making computers do things they are not ready to do with machine learning. Technology that allows computer systems to learn and auto-respond based on user activity. Machine learning develops brains into computers. Sophia is a result of this machine learning technology. Just as a child learns about the outside world from the people in his family, the computer learns through machine learning. Number 7, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means AI. It is the technology that still has a lot to develop. Also, your phone is a part of AI. The work of artificial intelligence is to copy the human brain. Moreover, it is used to make various decisions. Most of it is used in navigation app, stream service, used for smartphone, personal assistant, ride-sharing app, personal home assistant, and smart home device. Artificial intelligence has been developed since 1956 till today. It can be said that in the coming days, AI will leave people behind. So connect people with AI must be, so Elon Musk's company is working on Neuralink. Number 8, personal robot. Yes, maybe the future will make robots that you buy and use for your needs. Already many robots are working in different industries. But we are talking about robots that will be with you like your family. That is, they will understand your emotions. Number 9, smart assistive technology. Another future name might be smart assistive technology. In this future, we will see smart technology used in almost every aspect of human life. Smart assistive technology will help to optimize and simplify people's lives, such as health advice, shopping in the market, providing information about jobs, etc. This technology will make the life of common man much easier and provide a lot of information about their time and its teeth. Number 10, bioplastic. Plastics are used all over the world. Even after using so much plastic, only 15% of plastic is recycled from the world. The rest of the plastic is left in the environment, which pollutes our environment. That's why bioplastic is created. Bioplastic is a plastic that primarily uses natural materials. It is made by this plastic is more environmentally friendly and technologically advanced than normal plastic. It is primarily made using plant-based ingredients or other natural ingredients. So friends, how did you like today's beauty? I hope you like it. If you really like it, then subscribe to our channel.